This is so big. Look at how deep that aisle goes. Keep zooming and zooming. Oh, yes, hubby. It is huge in here, guys. So cute. I can't get over it. I am like completely overwhelmed by this store. Oh my god, look at the reed forms. Look at the eucalyptus. You got the onion reeds. Onion. Here I am. Lemon reeds.
Look at these, Mommy. Look at this guy, Mommy.
I know, they're gorgeous. And the boots and these reed forms. Every pastel color. Right now they're having a 50% off all Easter decor. I'm excited about that. See what I'll find. Alright guys, I'll keep.
Maybe we could just have this one and give it to
That's so adorable.
Mommy.
Beat it.
This is beautiful, guys. I am completely blown away by this store. It is insanely huge. And this, I already have something in mind that I can use to recreate this. This is originally marked at $12.99. I think I can make it for about $4. I'm loving these, guys. This one says, "Nothing can dim the light that shines from within." A beautiful message. I love the colors. I am loving all of these in the images here. I love all of these. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. I am in love with this piece. Let's see how I can recreate it. I'm thinking of using a cabinet and then two pieces on the side. I am loving this, guys. This is so cute. That one is my color right there. Will go perfect with my decor. Hi, mommy.
Dream big, little me.
Dream. That one is beautiful. You can recreate this with the little archways that come out of DollarTree. It's like Hobby Lobby, Kirkland, Michaels, everything under one roof. You got the big beaded one for $15, and these little small ones are for $9. Oh no, the medium ones are. This one is a little bit more expensive, but the quality of the wood beads are, you can see, is superior. It's a wooden heart. Oh.
Okay, but let's do that.
Oh, jeez. Right here, looking at the candles, and Cute little sign just in the middle of everywhere. Cute little arrangement. Love how rustic that is. Give you a little something of how big this store is, guys. It is ginormous. Definitely bigger than the largest DollarTree I just went to. You can check out that video in my channel as well. This store is called Carolina Pottery, and it is located in North Carolina, which is right next to Selma, a town near Selma. I'm not sure the name of the town, the exact town, but I will put in the description box below. Lemon is very in this year. I've been seeing it everywhere. Lemon and pineapples. This arrangement is so beautiful. I think it'll be great inspiration for us creators that go to the stores and say, I can do that for less. All these reeds, they're all so cute. Beautiful work from every one of them. This one is my favorite. My best friend will love this one. This aisle has lilac, burgundy. I haven't seen that color before. And they have the large rolls in the bottom shelf. The grapevine. You got every size that you can think of here. Oh my god, look how cute these are, my geez. I love it because it has that little color of the, like lamb's ear. But they have like no other flower I've ever seen. I love it because it's unique in that color. I want to make an arrangement of these sprigs like this. You have different color bamboos. Love this greenery. Looks so real. Oh, this greenery too. Yeah, lots and lots of boxwood. This little stem is $3.99. It's a little bit bigger than the one we get at Walmart, but it's a lot more realistic. Nice taller bush as well here. This one is $3.99, but it's a little bit bigger. Greenery here is everything. Look at it. It looks like it's alive, growing from the pot. This one is $3.99 as well. So look at the size of it. This whole end cap of Easter ribbon and 50% off right now. This is just one of the aisles of ribbons that you find in the store. Got all these little wreaths. It's a cute little flower garland. This one is $16.99. Beautiful color. This side we have more of the wreaths. This one is kind of cute and neutral. Got the tulips. I am about to order some tulips from Michael's, and I had one of these wreaths in mind for next year. This color scheme has also been calling me lately. I love these wreaths. Something like that. I already have all the materials at home. I know most of you get your all these little wreaths. It's a cute little flower garland. This one is $16.99. Beautiful color. This side we have more of the wreaths. This one is kind of cute and neutral. Got the tulips. I am about to order some tulips from Michael's, and I had one of these wreaths in mind for next year. This color scheme has also been calling me lately. I love these wreaths. Something like that. I already have all the materials at home. I know most of you get your end cap of burlap ribbon. I know most of you get your ribbons from burlap.com or fabric.com. But this one, I don't know. I guess some Smithfield deal is a 2.5 10-yard roll for $8.99. I think it's a good buy. Other aisle of ribbons, guys. Every color, every shade, every size, any length. Guys, I feel like I died and I went to Buffalo Check heaven. Look at the amount of Buffalo Check ribbon. An entire aisle. They have this ribbon that looks just like that. Can't remember the name of it right now. Birchwood? Yes, Birchwood. That was very in this year. Or last year. I think I just fell in love. I love these different shades of boxwood right here. This pick is, let's see, pretty nice and big, and it's $3.99. I love this one too, guys. This is beautiful.
Down at the floor.
I don't know, babe.
Squish these flowers.
Guys, look at this.
Mommy.
Gorgeous. I'm loving the shades of purple on here. Enormous piece of lavender. And it is $5.99, but it's pretty cute. Guys, you guys gotta see this yellow. It is out of this world. So vibrant, so beautiful. I love this one. I haven't seen anything like that before. Well, I've seen the DollarTree ones, but these are so much bigger. And this is $4.99. I saw before. Where's the tag? Right there. $4.99. Guys, this is insane. Look at this ginormous thing right here. It's like an onion in a side of a sunflower. That is $10. It is huge. Huge. And these are a little bit more tuned down than the other ones, but the quality of these are amazing. They look so real. Every single flower I have picked up so far in the store is amazing. Look at these babies, Brad. Or I don't know what you call these. I always call every little white flower baby spread. But they are so cute. Oh, and they're long stemmed. They are long stemmed. This is $2.50 for the stem. I think it's worth it. It's pretty big. Yeah, this one, guys. I was looking for wedding flowers to make like full wedding arrangements. This will be the perfect place. Everything is so natural. You cannot tell the difference between the real thing and these. Oh, I love that color. Beautiful. Look at this. Reminds me of cherry blossom. Little bouquets here already. Will be cute for bridesmaids. I'm just gotta embellish the stems a bit, or use them as this if you want. But I'm imagining something like this and wrap it up in some jute cord. Beautiful bow. Be great for like bridesmaids and wedding. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Can always bring in some of these as well in that arrangement to give it a little bit more interest. Height and texture. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at these. These are amazing. I'm in love with this store, guys. I'm gonna have to travel all the way to North Carolina to come here at least once a year. Over here you have every greenery bush wreath you can think of. Lavender. These guys. Never seen these half balls before. Pretty cool though. You can just put them in the ground, pretend you have a tiny little bush, because they look like the real thing. I know I've been saying that for this video a lot, guys, but this is pretty cool. I am struck or whatever you want to call this, store struck. Check this out. It looks like a joint floral arrangement with giant sunflowers. Look at the detail of that, guys. It's gorgeous. Look at these. This is the name of the store, guys. If you ever visit this area in North Carolina, don't forget to stop by here.